Welcome to our comprehensive guide on applying for a Canadian study permit. Whether you're planning to study in Toronto, Vancouver, Montreal, or anywhere in Canada, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's find out if you're eligible. You'll need to be accepted by a designated learning institution in Canada and prove that you can financially support yourself and any accompanying family members during your stay. Next, gather all the necessary documents. This includes your passport, acceptance letter from a Canadian institution, proof of financial support, and other documents that may be required depending on your individual circumstances. Now it's time to apply. The easiest way is online through the Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada website. Ensure all forms are filled correctly and submit them with the required documents. After submitting your application, you'll need to pay the application fee. Make sure to keep the receipt as proof of payment. If required, you'll be asked to schedule a biometrics appointment at your nearest visa application center. This includes fingerprinting and photographing for identification. In some cases, you might be called for an interview. Be prepared to answer questions about your study plans and why you chose Canada. Finally, wait for the decision on your application. If approved, you'll receive original passport request, then a letter of introduction and your study permit on arrival in Canada.